Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. My name is Holly, and I will be talking about word families that end with the CK sound. So let's take a look at our first word back. Back. And try to pronounce it before me if you can, but if you can't, pronounce it after me. Back. Duck. Duck. Luck. Luck. Neck, neck, pack, pack, rock, rock, sick, sick, sock, sock, truck, truck, clock, clock, crack, crack, snack, snack. All right, you did it. Woohoo! Please like, subscribe, share, and have a wonderful day or night. Bye. See you next time.